5 things you should never do if you want to become wealthy. Becoming wealthy is a goal that many people aspire to achieve. However, the path to financial success is often littered with obstacles and challenges. While there is no one-size-fits-all approach to wealth creation, there are certain pitfalls that should be avoided along the way. In this video, we will discuss 5 things you should never do if you want to become wealthy. By steering clear of these common mistakes, you can improve your chances of building lasting wealth and financial freedom. First, neglecting financial education. One of the biggest mistakes aspiring wealth builders make is neglecting their financial education. Wealthy individuals understand the importance of continually learning and expanding their knowledge about money management, investing, and personal finance. By investing time and effort into educating yourself about these topics, you can make informed decisions and maximize your wealth-building potential. Never assume that you know enough or rely solely on others to manage your finances. Take charge of your financial education. Second, living beyond your means. It is a surefire way to hinder your progress towards wealth creation. While it may be tempting to indulge in expensive purchases and live a luxurious lifestyle, it often leads to unnecessary debt and financial strain. Wealthy individuals understand the value of frugality and delayed gratification. They prioritize saving and investing over impulsive spending. By adopting a modest lifestyle and avoiding excessive consumerism, you can accumulate wealth and build a strong financial foundation. Third, failing to set clear goals. Without clear goals, it is challenging to create a roadmap towards wealth. Successful individuals set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals to guide their financial decisions. Failing to define your objectives can lead to aimless actions and missed opportunities. Take the time to identify your financial goals, whether it's saving for retirement, starting a business, or achieving a certain net worth. With well-defined goals, you can focus your efforts, track your progress, and stay motivated on your wealth-building journey. Fourth, avoiding risk and investments. While it is important to exercise caution and conduct thorough research, avoiding all forms of risk and investments can hinder your wealth-building potential. Wealthy individuals understand that calculated risks are often necessary to generate substantial returns. They diversify their investments, explore different asset classes, and take advantage of compounding growth. By becoming too risk-averse or keeping all your money in low-interest savings accounts, you miss out on potential opportunities to grow your wealth. Seek professional advice, educate yourself about investment strategies, and take calculated risks to enhance your wealth-building prospects. Fifth, neglecting personal growth and networking. Building wealth is not only about accumulating money. It also requires personal growth and networking. Neglecting your personal development can limit your ability to seize opportunities, adapt to changing market conditions, and make wise decisions. Successful individuals invest in their personal growth by reading books, attending seminars, and surrounding themselves with like-minded individuals. Additionally, networking plays a crucial role in creating new opportunities, partnerships, and mentorships. By nurturing relationships and expanding your network, you can tap into valuable resources and knowledge that can accelerate your path to wealth. Becoming wealthy is a journey that requires discipline, perseverance, and smart decision-making. By avoiding these 5 common mistakes, you can enhance your chances of achieving financial prosperity. Prioritize your financial education, live within your means, set clear goals, embrace calculated risks, and invest in your personal growth and networking. Remember, wealth creation is a long-term endeavor, so stay focused, be patient, and adapt to changing circumstances. With dedication and the right mindset, you can pave your way to financial success and build lasting wealth. Thank you for staying with us this time. If you found the video interesting, give it a like. If you want to see more similar content, subscribe to our channel and don't forget the bell. We wish you another wealthy day.